Want to extract the day number or months and years from a date in Excel? Here's how. Click on a new cell and type this formula. Equals text, B4, type 4D. Press enter, and boom! To get the month for November, type this formula. Equals text, B4, type 4M. Press enter, and Excel does the magic. That's how you extract month. Extracting the year uses the same formula, just a slight modification. Equals text, B4, type 4Y. Press enter, and just like that you get the result. That's it. You've now extracted the day, month, year from a date in Excel.